deleting the e-brake, and if the car ever rolls on a hill,
yeah, you know who to blame.
It ain't my fault.
Today, I'm going to show you guys how to add a second set of calipers onto a car. This is a Nissan 370Z. It's actually TJ Hunt's car. He brought it by so that we can help him out with a little bit of extra handbrake action. And see, what we're doing is we're removing the whole rear spindle assembly and installing these little brackets. These guys hold extra caliper. They also hold Dylan. Don't move. But he went and picked up some extra sliders, and Dylan and TJ blew the whole back end apart so they could get these brackets on here. These guys bolt on right there. Boom. And then what we'll do is hang the extra caliper on there, and we're going to run some extra brake lines all the way down up and through the tunnel. And then coming into the car, I'm working on the actual handbrake mount itself so that we have a nice flat mounting position, because on that trainee tunnel, you can never get a good spot. It's hanging halfway over the curve, and it's always a bit of a pain. So we're using my WrightCNC table so that we can get a nice flat surface. A little loud, you'll get it. So, old Nate Dog just finished blowing this one out for me. Drew it up real quick, and it's just a nice big flat surface, because like I said, the trainee tunnel is like right here, so it just hangs off the edge. And instead of welding to the car and cutting all the carpet out and everything, just made this plate so it'll bolt in that shifter location, and it gives a nice hole for everything to come through. And then right here, we're gonna drill these out, mount the handbrake right to that, and it's gonna clear the factory handbrake too, which is right about here, so we can still have parking ability. And then we really put an angle to and tip the front end in, so we aren't cutting up that console too much. So it still fits good. Sits right about here in the car, so it's a little more direct towards you and less like this, so should still work really well. The handle's of course adjustable, so you can set the depth.
Yeah, so I decided, so this is the plate that obviously bolts in between the hub and the knuckle, and it made the most sense because it had this big, gigantic, weird, goofy thing on there. It sat in there just like that.
Big, weird, goofy thing? You mean a dust shield?
Yeah, I hate those. I hate those. So I just noticed that it had a couple of spot welds holding it on, so I just center punch them and drill them out as the cleanest way I could think of to do it.
That's super clean.
So,
it's way better than cutting it up in the bandsaw. That's what I suggested. That will allow the factory drum components to all fit back on there. So then once that bracket is stacked on and we get the hub back on, you put this guy back on, you put all these guys back on, then you put the rotors back on, and then we go drifting.
Let me go drifting.
Yeah.
Yeah, should we make him do donuts out here after this?
He says it doesn't drift good. I'm gonna have him prove me wrong.
Yeah, I can handle it.
It's a Z. They drift great. Like, what could be wrong with it?
Well, he did say the diff isn't happy, and like to drift, the diff has gotta spin both tires. Like no matter what.
Gotta be good. It could be an open diff.
It might be.
That's probably the problem.
Which would make it stuff.
Yeah. All right, while the boys are finishing up getting the rear calipers all mounted up, I'm gonna run over to Mesa Hose and get the brake lines made. So we need 3 lines in total, and a T, and another fitting, or 3 actually, to get everything right where we want it to be. Get that handbrake plumbed up, and get those rear calipers on and working. So just a few more things, and we'll be good. It's getting pretty close, but you know, we could use an extra set of hands. It'd be nice if somebody would get off the phone. That's fine. That's fine. You know, they're just taking a meeting, take a quick meeting.
Hey man, he's trying to make money. I get it.
No, I'm kidding. He's been out here helping. He had to take a break to take a quick phone call. I ran over to the store to get the lines cut, and so I was like, well, let me grab the camera and show y'all what's going on. He's been out here the whole time. Don't worry. Yeah. He'll be back again, and we'll harass him. We'll get his hands dirty again.
Yeah.
Oh, you finished with your phone call? You gonna come help out again?
Yeah, no, I'm here. I actually have no phone.
He's just consulting. Dylan, tighten that one up first, and then the upper left.
Well, you guys are so much better. I'm just trying to observe so I can learn.
Let me see. Oh, those hands are a little dirty. Yeah, you're getting after
I just washed them. I was call.
Yeah. Don't want to get that Mac dirty, you know?
No, so we're going to be deleting the e-brake, and if the car ever rolls on a hill,
yeah, you know who to blame.
It ain't my fault.
Not me.
Chris was like,
this guy.
We'll delete it.
Dylan's working on it. I'm adding handbrakes. He's removing them.
Yeah, it's actually true. He's not wrong. Yeah, he's not wrong on it.
Yeah.
Boys, well, here you go.
There you go, I quit. What's up with this, TJ? You got some extra coilovers?
Yeah.
Got some spares?
I don't have any at the moment. They're still coming, so I like walked to the back room.
Went shopping?
Yeah, I went shopping. I was like, I don't know how to ask this, but like, if you have any like spares, and then Chris points to a brand new set of like his own for spares for your car. I'm like, I don't want the three-way adjustable. Like, not what I was after. He's like, oh, well, I got, what'd you call them?
These are my travel shocks.
Travel shocks.
Yeah, so these are the BC Racing BRs, so it's their entry level. They're perfect.
I have these on my 350 actually.
Oh, there you go. And so we actually swap the three-ways off and swap these on every time we get to the track so we don't wear out the three-ways. Because if you think about it, that car will drive maybe 10 miles in a weekend, but then it's gonna ride 3,000 miles to the track.
That's some like pro level mentality right there.
Hey man, you gotta keep your stuff
I've never
fresh.
heard that before, so I'm impressed.
Yeah. Oh God, Dylan, we'll leave you alone for 1 minute. Try, dude. Oh my God. Yeah, we're putting TJ back on, you're off. Well, here we go, this is our second test day. We have the car looking way more fresh. We got the hood on, got our wastegate dumps cut in there, got our little rear quarter windows on. Everything's looking pretty slick. Laptop, suit, and everything else. Oh yeah, I gotta go grab my other glove. I lost one of my gloves, might be in the trailer. What's up, big deal?
What's up, dude?
Yeah.
How you doing?
Doing good.
10 out of 10?
10 out of 10 ain't bad.
All right.
Ready to rip these suckers.
Yeah.
Again.
I heard there's gonna be burnouts today.
There's gonna be burnouts. There's gonna be a lot of burnouts today.
Oh.
Yeah. Going up to Irwindale. It's gonna be a couple other bros there. It's been a minute since we've seen them. So looking forward to it. It's gonna be like a little mini FD reunion.
I know.
Yeah, this is looking mighty fresh. Let's get their vents in.
Yeah. Little Venosaurus.
Yeah, we gotta stick this car in the trailer. We're out of here. Let's do it. Load up some fresh tires. A whole pile of them, there's a lot left. Yeah, that's a big pile of tires. We are unloading a few things out of the trailer, doing a last minute little gear change with what we typically run here at Irwindale. And yeah, everybody's loading up, getting ready. We got Radadan, Johnny Zero's down there. We got Odie, Matt Field, Dylan, of course, Sean Illingworth, TJ Hunt, who else is over there? Matt Field, there's a bunch of people. So it's cool, man. It's a little FD reunion. It's great.
Tap there, you doing?
Oh yeah, first wall tap with a fresh rig. Feeling good.
This is TJ's first time drifting the bank at Irwindale, and he's doing good, man. I was like, dude, just ease into it. We got a nice long day here. No one's here, you know, just feel it out. Go check him out. Sounds like he's out of tire. Yeah, no, he's getting it. He's getting it. Just work your way up to that wall, man. Don't rush it. Cut off, I don't know why, but I'm just taking for another try.
Okay.
I don't know what that was.
It just boggled?
It just shut off. Huh?
Should have fuel, right?
Oh, that's probably what it is. You guys put gas in it?
No.
Nope. Danny, how much did it take? Yeah. right, let's keep a better eye on that. Trying to make me wreck my car, dude?
Yes.
Dropping power at the fucking initiation? Goddamn. This guy. You gonna get that? You gonna figure that out?
It's about 20 minutes later.
Yeah,
but
it's only a 40-foot strap. World's longest strap.
Dude, literally.
Hey, all right. Oh, look at that. You got her going. How you doing? How'd this piece of crap do?
Dude, really good.
Really good.
I like it a lot.
Tell you what, I think it's faster than my car.
I feel like it's really fast for literally no reason. I don't know why it's so fast, but it just is.
Yeah. Oh my God, what a cool freaking day, man. We got a lot of laps in, a lot of chasing, a lot of leading.
Yeah.
My car feels super rad. It was on the loose side. We're trying to like play with some settings. We want like up on the spring, down on the bars, up in the shocks, up in the pressure, just like trying to like get it to really just glide around the track. And I tell you what, it felt amazing, super drivable, but it's just a little slow. So I gotta try and find that medium. So.
It was funny. We would go and do our back-to-back laps. I would lead, you would chase, or vice versa. And then even in between our laps, you were just like, hold on, I'm gonna make a change. So they would like, you got to be totally changing toe, changing shocks, changing everything. It was awesome.
Yeah.
So it was really cool to see you just like playing with all the settings and just seeing what stuff does.
Yeah, why not?
That's how you figure it out.
I know, just crank it in, crank it out, and just see what happens. But like, yeah, you just still trying to get a good feel of the car, small changes, a lot of drive time, just, feel the car, feel the chassis, but this thing freaking rips.
Dude, it's so fast. It's so fast. I don't know why.
I don't know why either.
It's got literally a 1/16 of an inch of toe out overall. And like, dude, it was running. It was running. Power's awesome.
Awesome.
So, good stuff.
Hell yeah. Anything we can do to help, dude?
You want to record it or you got it?
Oh yeah, there you go. Yeah, fire away. Splash the gas, get this guy back on the road. It's not much, it's for a four-wheeler, but it should get you to a station. Yeah, fire it up, it's good to go. That's awesome. I mean, I've run out of gas before. Yeah, man. I've run out of gas before, and a 5-minute trip turns into an hour real quick.